Hey everybody, so many of you have already purchased the garage door lube that I've been telling people about here. I wanted to share with you again an update. If you have a garage door at your house, and so many people do, you have to have this, okay? Over time, your garage tracks here on the little metal on metal, right? That stuff's gonna wear out, or it's gonna get crunchy and make kind of louder noises and things. And this is specifically made, this 3-in-1 garage door lube is specifically made for your garage. So let's take a look at it, and all you have to do here is spray this along the tracks of your garage door all the way down, and this is going to help that metal, those metal wheels. So this is going to help those metal tracks to be lubricated, right? You can also spray it on the door itself in these little hinge parts right here where they meet each other, right? So I highly recommend the 3-in-1 garage door lube right here for your house. You don't have to worry about calling a garage doorman and be charged a large amount of money to come out and take a look at your garage door. Just keep it lubricated with this product right here from time to time, and you should be good to go.